Dear students, today we will perform our third experiment, which is preparation of iodoform. So first we will look into the equation. So you need ethanol, iodine, sodium carbonate and water. And the amount of sodium carbonate is 1 gram. For ethanol we need 2.5 ml ethanol and iodine 0.5 gram and water 5 ml. So this is our product which is iodoform. So you have to take sodium carbonate in a round water glass. Then you have to add 5 ml of water and you have to add ethanol. Heat on water bath till sodium carbonate is dissolved. Add iodine to the reaction mixture with vigorous shaking. Heat the mixture and let it cool. Don't boil. Keep in mind you don't have to boil the solution. You have to heat the mixture and let it cool at room temperature. Cool the mixture at room temperature. Filter the yellow precipitates and dry them, and then you have to calculate percentage yield. For sodium carbonate, which is 105.988 gram per mole, and for iodoform we have 393.73 gram per mole of iodoform. So now for sodium carbonate and iodoform. So this is your practical, which is experiment number 3. Now we will move forward our fourth experiment, which is preparation of benzoic acid. For benzoic acid you need the apparatus, which is beaker, funnel, tripod, stand, glass rod, filter paper. For chemical you need sodium benzoate, concentrated hydrochloric acid and distilled water. Now we will move forward to our procedure. 5 gram of sodium benzoate is taken in a beaker. 50 ml of distilled water is added into the beaker to dissolve sodium benzoate. After that, 3 to 5 ml of concentrated HCl is added into it till white precipitate form. And if you think that precipitate are thick and they are stick around the neck of the beaker and they are not coming out during filtration, you can add more water. Then solution is filtered and precipitate obtained are again dissolved in hot distilled water for recrystallization. This hot solution with beaker is transferred into ice cold water to get white fine crystal of benzoic acid. So the hot solution with the beaker, you have to place this in a beaker containing ice cold water. Okay, you don't have to put your precipitate with hot water into a ice cold water. You have to place the beaker containing precipitate into ice cold water. It is then finally filtered and precipitate obtained are dried and calculates percentage yield by following formula. So percentage yield is practical yield divided by theoretical yield into 100. So molecular weight of sodium benzoate is 144 gram and for benzoic acid it is 122 gram. So I will repeat one more time that you have to take 5 gram of sodium benzoate in a beaker. Then you have to add 50 ml of 50 ml of distilled water into the beaker to dissolve sodium benzoate. After that, 3 to 5 ml of concentrated HCl is added. 3 to 5, minimum 3, maximum 5. So if you have white precipitate at 3 drops, it is fine. At 3 ml, it is fine. But if you think that after 5 ml your precipitate become more thick, you can add more distilled water. Then solution is filtered and precipitate obtained are again dissolved in hot distilled water for recrystallization. Then this hot water solution with beaker is transferred into ice cold water. You don't have to mix your precipitate in ice cold water. You have to put the beaker containing your precipitate in a beaker containing ice cold water. And it is then finally filtered and precipitate obtained are dried and calculate percentage yield by following formula. Sodium benzoate 144 gram per mole and benzoic acid 122 gram per mole. So for experiment number 3, so for iodoform it is 393.73 gram per mole and for the molecular weight of iodine is The molecular weight of iodine is 254. Okay, so now we have 8 molecules of iodine. So if we multiply 254 by 8, okay, keep in mind we have 8 molecules of iodine, we multiply 8 with 254, 254. Okay, so we have 2032 gram of iodine, and for iodoform we have 393.73, and we multiply by it by 2, and then we have approximately 788 gram. Okay, so these are the two experiments which we perform this way. Thank you very much.